You guys know she's a side part, check. She has body, check. What's up, core crew? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're doing another wig review for the girls. OUTRE was super kind enough to send me their newest melted hairline collection in the style Arlissa. So if you would like to hear my thoughts on this wig, then definitely keep watching.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
guys, so now that you saw the styling portion, here is Miss Arlissa in the flesh. She's super cute, very natural, another like everyday type of wig. She reminds me a lot of Miss Divine. She's like a mixture of Divine and Sabrina, I feel like, because I get vibes from both of those. If you liked either of those units or you didn't have a chance to pick them up, then I would definitely say Arlissa is one for you. She has a lot of volume, a lot of body, the curls are really nice, and she's my type of unit. You guys know she's a side part, check. She has body, check. So I'm here for her. Let's go into what the Melted Hairline collection is all about. So it comes with soft HD transparent lace, and I will note, when you have a unit with HD transparent lace, you want to be super careful because it is a very thin lace, which makes it easy to melt but also easy to rip. So you don't want that to happen, okay? So make sure you take your time when you're applying, just so that you don't get any like rips in your lace. It also comes with a deluxe wide lace part, which is a little bit new. I feel like in the newer Melted Hairline collection wigs, you've gotten more space so that you could tweeze if you wanted to. Of course, you don't need to, because I didn't tweeze at all and it still has like that natural hairline type of look. But if you want to tweeze it at all, you can, because you have more parting. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, which we know is true. Pre-attached by elastic band for a secure fit. You can also not use elastic band because this is big head friendly. So if you have a bigger head and the elastic band makes it too tight, just don't use it or cut it out. It comes with redesigned comfort fit ear contour salon inspired colors. So I got it in a 1B, but they have ginger brown, golden honey, cherry red, cinnamon mocha, and hazelnut honey. So they have a color for everyone. And then it comes with natural baby hair. So yeah, Miss Arlissa, I honestly think that she's a cute unit. She's one that I really like. It's perfect for every day because it's like a natural 16 inches. It has really pretty curls. You know, I live for a side part. I don't really have too many cons at all. I don't have any cons. I didn't experience too much tangling. I didn't experience any shedding at all, so that's good. I think the pros are definitely the length, the cut, the body. She reminds me so much of Divine, and I didn't have any cons for Divine either. I think she's like the younger sister of Divine, because Divine was a longer unit, so this one's just a bit shorter. But she also reminds me of Sabrina from the Melted Hairline collection, because she does have the body that Sabrina had. Like, she had like the really full bang and everything like that. So I'm definitely here for this unit. Let me know down below if you are going to pick up Miss Arlissa. She's so cute. I feel like she looks a little bit different than on the stock card. I don't know, like when I saw the stock card, it was giving, I don't know, she looks like the stock card but not at the same time. Light yaki unit, so you know it's not super silky. But yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.